Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to adjust the text size for your iPhone. Go ahead and make your way to settings. From settings, scroll down until you see display and brightness. Tap on that to open it up, and you should see the text size option. Go ahead and tap on that to open it up, and you should see a small statement that mentions reading size below, and that also allows you to view a live example of how the text would be once you adjust the settings. You have a widget at the bottom where if you move to the left, it makes the text smaller, and if you move to the right, it makes it much larger. Adjust it, of course, to your preference and your needs, but once you adjust it, all you have to do is tap on back, and it automatically saves your text size new option. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.